Hi, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to capture a permalink in EBSCOhost platform. Sharing the permalink for an article is really important. It's different from sharing the PDF with your students in your courses because when you share the permalink, the library collection management system gets a count on how many times that article has been viewed. It has implications for purchasing in the future and for getting more databases, access to more journals. So you want to make sure that you are capturing and putting into your course modules the permalink for articles that you want your students to read. So I'm in EBSCO, as I said before, and I did a quick search on the topic of online learning. And we'll just take this top article here. And when you open the article, when the article loads, instead of downloading the PDF and giving the PDF to your students, you want to go to the right-hand toolbar where it says Tools and go down to Permalink and click on Permalink. And then this permalink is what you want to put in your course module to make sure that the library gets a count on the number of uses. Thanks.